Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace ignition switch 2009 Ford Escape. Remove negative battery cable, wait 5 minutes, and disable airbags. Access lower dash panels and steering column covers to expose the ignition assembly. Unplug electrical connectors and remove mounting screws holding the switch. Install the new switch, reconnect connectors, reassemble covers, and reconnect the battery. Test key functions and engine crank before finishing the job. In this video, I will show how to replace ignition switch 2009 Ford Escape. Start by collecting a socket set, Torx bits, and trim tools plus the replacement switch. Park safely, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent shorts. Take clear photos of underdash wiring and trim locations for reference. Label connectors if needed and lay out fasteners in order to simplify reassembly and reduce errors. In this video, I will show how to replace ignition switch 2009 Ford Escape. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes a great workshop buddy for timers and playlists while you work, and it pairs easily with phones. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can create more useful guides. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace ignition switch 2009 Ford Escape. Begin by lowering the steering column and removing lower dash and column covers to expose the switch. Unscrew mounting fasteners and keep them in order for reinstallation. Depress the connector latch and pull the wiring harness free, then remove the ignition switch from its bracket. Install the new switch in reverse order, secure fasteners, plug in the harness, and test ignition operation before final reassembly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.